Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What?
Aren't you guys gonna cook?
Us? I don't even know how to
I
cook.
don't even know where the oil is.
I don't even know how to cut things. I don't even know how to open the can.
Okay, guys, so
Open this one.
it is time the girls start learning how to cook. Well, Denise knows how to do some little bit here and there. But yeah, now that we're on our own, we're gonna have more time, more freedom, so they can learn how to cook. So today we're gonna do breakfast. Okay, it is about 9:30 a.m. and that is what we are gonna do. So welcome to my channel. I hope you guys like this video today. I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys a little bit about what goes on here as we are putting stuff away. I worked last night, so I might take a nap sometime during the day. Other than that, I'm just gonna make some breakfast, get the day started. We did go to the market, so here, let me show you guys. So I did go to the market. I still have a lot of stuff to put away, as you guys can see. I have a lot of boxes I have to get rid of, and it's a mess. So I'll show you guys that later on. For now, I'm just gonna cook because you guys, I am so hungry. What's going on? You guys are nasty.
We started laughing because we didn't flip the camera when you were trying to show the stuff we got. You just throw it.
Okay, guys, let me start cooking. My video recorder forgot to press record.
No, you had to look that first.
You're done.
You had it like that first.
Well, I gave it to you and then you're gonna press record.
This banana is nasty. It's not
I
ready.
told you it was not ready yet.
This one is.
Yeah, back up. You're too close to the boxes. We have no table.
Or chairs.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what we cooked, and I'm so sorry, but we don't have a table yet. I told you guys I was gonna go very slow. So, okay. So my table at the moment is just this little box, okay? So
Instrument.
So it's egg, which I was already eating, and this is the meat that you guys saw us making. Of course, with some jalapeno, tomato, and onion. And it's really good. Is it good, you guys?
Yeah, this is good.
Boy, you already had a tamal from school. And yum, 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 yum. Delicioso.
Denise broke the box.
What happened to that box, Denise?
I broke it.
It's okay.
Not even, it went down slowly.
Yeah, slow motion.
Yeah, because that makes that better.
Okay, well, let's eat because we have a lot to do, you guys. Look,
Oh, yeah.
we have a lot to do. Okay, so far we have not finished putting things away. Everything is all over the living room and all over everywhere. But I already started putting some stuff away. And the girls, this was supposed to be from this bed, it goes under that, but since later in the future I'm gonna get another bed for this side, for now we're just gonna have it like this. And that's Denise. She already started kind of decorating her wall. Then this is their closet. They already been working on it as well. So yeah. And let's see what else do we.
Why in my room?
I came to check on the room. And here's my mess. So I just threw some stuff there because it was in the drawers and I needed to put the drawers back in its place. So it's still a work in progress, you guys.
Right in my room.
So I started putting away some of the clothes. Okay, nothing fancy. Shoes there. And here I'm gonna use it for Nathan, probably like socks, underwears, and probably some of mine. I don't have nothing up there yet. I was unable to do much because I had to work. So when I work, I try not to do a lot during the day so that I can hang during the night. So right now I'm just gonna pick up my bed and go to sleep. So I'll see you guys later on. You're gonna let me sleep, right, Nathan?
Maybe.
What you mean maybe?
Maybe.
What are you doing outside?
Oh, there's no table in the house currently. So there's stairs. So I'm sitting.
You're so funny.
I should have brought my own chair, huh?
So still no table, but look at my hair. But we're still at work.
It doesn't stop us from eating.
It's not gonna stop us from eating. So what do we have?
We're standing up.
Huh?
We're standing up.
Yeah. What do we have though?
Hi, bye. Ceviche.
Why are you hiding, Denise? Look at her. Denise, close that door.
Not a door. I want to be shown.
Yeah, so we have Haiva today since I don't have a fridge.
Damn, Jamie!
Give me more.
It was mine!
Yum, 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 because that's your favorite.
Not really.
I'm not gonna
You
finish
just put
it.
it in your mouth.
I just can't finish it.
Bueno.
Con más ceviche.
What's going on?
That's my chunk of Iva.
Okay, let me make you some. You ready?
Maybe it was.
You ready to eat?
I want to wash my hands. Mom,
Please.
I don't want this so much.
No?
Mom, I want
You want
this.
ceviche?
I want this so much.
You always have. He's moving.
Yeah.
No, he's happy.
No!
I'm happy.
I want to keep it. Jamie, I want to keep it.
Okay, I'm gonna eat, guys, because I am so hungry. I'll see you guys later. I almost bought something.
What you bought?
Something on your phone. I don't know.
My phone?
Yeah, I accidentally went
Look,
to the
Denise, this
chase
bag is
card.
cool for me, right?
That's a bag?
Yeah, it's a backpack.
That's the same thing I said.
No way.
Mom! I'm running low. I'm
Hey, baby
serotonin.
You happy?
I definitely was a singing girl in red. What?
Are you happy?
Yes. You know what would make me happier? Wow, look at those pants. Wow. Hot topic.
Let's first buy a dining set and a living room, okay?
You have money, right?
Okay, guys, you know what?
What?
I'm so tired. You're done? Go get them, girl.
Me.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna let you guys go here because it's nighttime and we gotta go to sleep. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That button is down below, red, bright. You guys won't miss it. Just hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.
Bye. Why are you cracking up, girl? What's so funny?
Bro, don't be getting too much.
What's so funny?